lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, the channel. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing super awesome. I do appreciate you tuning in today. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we are going to be testing out a new foundation that just hit my collection. This is the True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This has hyaluronic acid. We all know that hyaluronic acid is really good for your skin. Long wear. This is from Catrice Cosmetics, and the shade of this is 080 Natural Pecan. I am not quite sure where I heard this name before. I have a feeling something from Catrice Cosmetics came in a beauty box or something like that. But I picked this up at Shoppers Drug Mart here in Canada. If you're Canadian, you go to Shoppers Drug Mart, you would find this. And you know, shades like Pecan, Caramel, Amber, these are kind of my shades. And I thought, let me try this one. Beautiful, gorgeous pump happening here, which really helps to preserve your foundation. It's not going to go to waste. And what I like to do is when my foundation is getting to the bottom of the pit, I like to go in with my makeup removal tool and scoop it all out. And this tool does work, or you can get any makeup removal tool of your choice, but it is a lovely foundation. So I don't have any color correcting on my face. I'm trying to minimize using a lot of that on my skin. As you can see, I have a little bit of a glow going. My face is washed and cleansed and moisturized. However, I'm going to be using this Quench primer. This is from Tarte Cosmetics. This is a hydrating primer, and I'm just going to put a little bit of this in the back of my hand like so. And I'm going to put a little bit of this on my face. I think I would rather go in with primers as opposed to color correcting, because my skin is clearing up nicely and I'm using my skincare products vigorously. And of course my hands are clean, because if I'm going to be massaging any product on my skin, my hands must be clean to avoid any breakouts. Oh my god, this smells nice. Very, very nice. It's not too strong, but it smells wonderful. And it dries pretty much quickly in the skin. So as I'm getting older, I'm really trying to put as little on my skin as possible, but I want to be able to use the right products on my skin. So I do have my foundation brush right here, and again, it has a lovely pump. And we are going to go in, because the less I put on my face, the better, because the less things I have to take off. So this is what the shade looks like on my skin. 080 Natural Pecan. Let's blend this out and see what we come up with. Well, I am shocked. I'm really shocked and surprised at this foundation. This dries nice and matte on the skin. I'm just gonna bring this down to my neck. Nice and matchy right there. Wow. Just when I thought I found the right foundation in another brand, I found another one. This is great. This is amazing. This reminds me of my Dream Radiant foundation. The finish of this is very, very, very natural. And I feel like I don't want to go in with too many things on my face. I really don't. I'm not quite sure if I should go in with a concealer or not. I don't really want to. But I really love this foundation. It's really, really nice. I am going to use my Fashion Fair Enchanted Amber powder, and I'm just using a powder brush. The best powder you can put on your face, Enchanting Amber from Fashion Fair. Wow, this is lovely. I really like the naturalness of this foundation. It looks like I'm not wearing anything. This reminds me of my Dream Radiant foundation from Maybelline. Really, really nice. And again, I just went in with a primer. No color correcting today because I'm trying to minimize that. And it gives me really nice coverage. So I also have a lipstick from them as well, which I'm going to be going in today for the very first time. I'm going to leave the name of the lipstick in the description box for you guys. Let's just go in with some lip balm. So this is the lipstick here, and this is also from Catrice Cosmetics, and it is a matte lipstick. Okay, lovely, nice purple. So let's go in with this right now. A little bit deep, but that's okay. So I'm going in with a lip liner. I just realized that this is a great lip combination. Nightmoth LipLiner and this lipstick from Catrice Cosmetics. So pretty. Love it. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. Let's go in and do a little bit of bronzing. This is Viva Havanna from Lise Watier. You guys know I love this, and it came along with a beautiful brush. So a little bit of that, and I'm just going to bronze here, just right there. You're probably saying, listen, Odette, people don't bronze their cheeks, do they? You bronze whatever you want. Okay? Do you see that beautiful glow on my forehead? Love that. This is really nice. And I'm just going to do a little bit of a blush. This is from MAC and it's called Breezy. Just like so. Really pretty. I'm gonna go in with my setting spray from It Cosmetics. Okay, my lovelies, here we are, finished look of the makeup. I have no idea what to say about this foundation other than I really love this foundation. Just when I thought I found the perfect foundation in Fashion Fair Brown Sugar Babe, in comes this one. So I have no idea which direction to go right now when it comes to my favorite foundation. Again, this is 080 Natural Pecan. So the pecan, the caramel, the almonds, these are my shade spectrum of makeup and foundations. Love this. If you do have my skin tone, get Enchanting Amber Powder from Fashion Fair and you are going to not regret this purchase. They are perfect together, great combination. The name of the lipstick is very, very tiny at 050. I think it's called Ultimate, but it's going to be down below for you guys. Very soft, not too deep purple color. Perfect with Nightmoth LipLiner from MAC. And I'm not quite sure if you guys remember, I did not go in with any color correcting on my face. I only went in with the primer from Tarte, and that's it, because I'm trying to minimize, the things that I put on my skin, because my skin is really, clearing up nicely. And this is how I like to do my makeup, guys. I love the way this has turned out. Love this foundation. So I don't know who is going to be on the diamond, off the diamond with the foundation anymore. I have no idea. It's going to be a bunch of people sitting on that little diamond as my favorite foundations. I know that doesn't make any sense, but in any case, I would love to hear your thoughts on this foundation and the makeup and the powder and the lipstick today. Let me know what you think. I just really love the way this is looking. And again, I would love to hear your thoughts in the description box. I'm gonna leave everything down below for you. If you want to try this foundation, it's from Catrice Cosmetics. Love it, it's beautiful. And of course, I'm so happy that you tuned in today. Thank you for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you next time. Doodles!